Hi, good morning. Well, you know what? It could be it's morning still where when I'm filming this, but well, you could be watching this in the afternoon or at night. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever one applies to you, guys. Okay. Today I thought, because we already did basically a little bit of the calendar, so if you want to do calendar stuff again and you want to sing along, you can go ahead and listen to the other video. I thought we'd do something a little different today. It's stuff that we've done before, but you know, I've just got some new visuals and stuff to show you. So first let's start with what day of the week it is, or what, you know, let me just show you. We're still in July, and today is right here. This is July 23rd, 2020. So I thought I'd keep everything on a positive note today. No more sad things to talk about. I'm happy that you're all here. Happy to see you. Here's one of my new visuals, or one of the newer things that I don't think we've ever even gone through all of these. We've just kind of looked at a couple of them at a time. We do know the alphabet. Most of us know our alphabet really well, but it's always good practice because we're going to be doing some other stuff that's more complicated with reading. We'll just start with our regular alphabet, okay? So what are we calling this? We call that big A or uppercase A, lowercase a. A is for what? Apple. A is for apple. I know you're saying it along with me. Just based on the picture, you know what it is. But we'll take a look at the word, and the sound that you're making for this A is ah. Apple. Good. Next one. I'm going to scoot back a tiny bit. Here we go. Uppercase or big B, little b, our picture, and the word ball. 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 B is pretty straightforward. You don't have a lot of ways to say that one. But A, you'll see in a minute. There's lots of different ways to say the letter A. What about this one? Big C, little c. What sound does it make? K. And our word is cow. Cow. Very good. Big D, little d. Our sound is D. Our word is dog. Dog. He's a cutie. Big E, little e. What sound does it make? One of the sounds it makes is elephant. Our word is elephant. It's at the beginning of the word. Elephant. Very good. It's in the middle of the word too. There's lots of e's in elephant. Here we go. Big F, little f. What sound does it make? Our word is fish. Fish. You know I have some of these. I love these things. Big G, little g. The sound it makes is g. Our word is guitar. Guitar. Our letter is H. Big H, little h. What sound does it make? H. Our word is house. House. Big I, little I. What sound does it make? I. When it's at the beginning of the word here, it says I. Igloo. Igloo. I also is very complicated. Oh, so is E. I forgot to say that, didn't I? Big J, little j. What sound does it make? J. Our words in this case, there's two of them. Jelly beans. J. But J is only in the front of the first word. Jelly beans. Thank you. Next, big K, little k. What sound does it make? K. Our word is kite. Kite. I'm sure you guys are doing really well in saying it out loud for me, right? Here we go. Big L, little l. What sound does it make? L. Our word is lion. Big M, little m. What sound does it make? Our word is monkey. You know I love monkeys. I love monkeys. They're so cute. Big N, little n. Our beginning sound is n. Our word is nest. Nest. Excellent. Uh-oh, I picked up two. I only need one. Big O, little o. What sound does it make? In this word, it makes the sound ah. Octopus, ah. O is also a complicated letter. Put it in combination with another letter and it sounds different. We'll talk about that. Big P, little p. What sound does it make? P. Our word is pumpkin. Pumpkin. Here we go. Big Q, little q. Our sound is qu. And Q, almost every word that has a Q in it needs to have that U right next to it to make that sound qu. So this is quilt. Quilt. Oh, I love this picture. That's a good picture, isn't it? Big R, little r, rainbow. Ah. Big S, little s. What sound does it make? Our word is sun. And this is going to be a word we're going to talk about in a minute. I'm going to put that one to the side. Big T, little t. What sound does it make? T. Our word is turtle. Turtle. Big U, little u. In this word, it makes the sound. Umbrella. Big V, little v. In this word, it makes the v sound. The initial sound is v. Volcano. Volcano. Big W, little w. What sound does it make? W. Our word is watermelon. That's a long one. Can you read it? Watermelon. Big X, little x. What sound does X make? X. At the beginning of this word, it's X-ray. So we're actually saying the letter's name. Sometimes X is in the middle of a word instead of at the beginning. It's hard to find words that start with X, but they can be in the middle of a word. Big Y, little y. What sound does it make? Y. Our word is yo-yo, or, two little words put together, yo-yo. And our last one in the alphabet, big Z, little z. What sound does it make? Z. Our word is zebra. Zebra. Do you know that in England they pronounce it zebra? Because I read lots of books about England and I watch shows about England and they say zebra. I think it's funny. They also say Z instead of Z. It's just one of those things. Interesting information. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is talk about some vocabulary for the month. Because you know why? What's our theme now? Well, if you were here, you would have known we were doing a summer theme. Summer! And we're going to make a little word wall behind me that has summer words behind it. So hopefully you can see it. If I tilt it up a little bit, you can see what's going on. I'm going to put the first one on. I'll put them up as we talk about them. Here's our first one for the word wall. It says beach ball. Not just ball. That's a particular kind of ball. We're going to call it a beach ball. So that goes in our top slot. And can you see it from there? I believe you can. It's just a little glare, huh? Let's see. No more glare. It's still got glare, doesn't it? I'm sorry. Well, I'll show it to you close up. Our next word is bucket. You can take that to the beach or to the sand in a playground. Scoop up the sand and put it in your bucket. Bucket. How about this one? Flip-flops. Is that a kind of shoe that we wear in summertime? Yeah. It's easy to put on, easy to take off. Especially if you get to go to the beach, you can put on your flip-flops. Or if you get to go to one of those little water parks like Richie's mom was telling me about, you could wear flip-flops there. That's nice. Here we go. One of our favorite things. Ice cream. That's all about summer. And in fact, that was going to be our unit when we started. So you know what we're going to do when we come back? I promise you, we'll get down to having our first unit be ice cream because it was going to be so much fun. So we'll still do it. We'll just have to do it later in the year. What's this one? Popsicle. That also would have gone along beautifully with our ice cream theme. We'll talk about popsicles when we talk about ice cream. What's our next one? Sailboat. Yeah, some people take their sailboats and they ride in big sailboats on lakes or in the ocean. And some kids take little sailboats and play with them in the bath or in the pool. What about this? This is something we build at the beach. Sandcastle. Sandcastle. That's a good one. Oh, another summer treat. It's a summer treat because you go camping sometimes in summer. Camping was going to be another one of our themes. We were going to do ice cream and camping and celebrating diversity. So we had 3 themes for this setup. We're going to spread them around, but you know, again, we'll do it in September. S'mores. Yum. Oh, sun. Yeah, the sun's out during the summer. That's for sure. And one more word. And what do we use this for? To keep us out of the sun if we're at the beach or at a park. We use an umbrella. Some people put the word sun and umbrella together and call it a sunbrella. But it serves the purpose. Keeps you in the shade. Keeps you nice and cool. Don't have to be out under the hot sun. Which brings us to our next little activity here. So I told you, I showed you the other day, well, I kind of tried to show you when I was giving you a little tour. I don't know if that ever made it to the video part because I did a couple tester videos and then my son edited it. So I don't know if it ever got to the part where I was showing how many flip books I've made, but I've made a ton of flip books. So one of the things we're going to talk about and work on is 2 flip books, and they are talking about, I'm sorry, I'm taking my Velcro stuff off. The flip books are about what we call attributes. I know that's a big word. I should put it on the screen somewhere or write it down. You know what? I should write it down. So you know, if you see it again, I'm so sorry I'm out of frame. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Here we go. I'm going to put it here. It is a long word, but I want you to know what it is when I say it. It's a long one, but it's a good word for you to know because we'll talk about it more. So, what says is attributes. Sorry if my writing's not that great. Attributes. 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 Another word for that is, I'm filling you up with words today. If we're talking about a person, place, or thing, and we're describing it, person, place, or thing. Who is a person, place, or thing? I am a person. You are a person. A place would be home, and a thing would be your doggy, or you know, a piece of toast. That's a thing. So sometimes when we talk about people, places, or things, nouns, purple place, we describe them using this word, adjectives. So an attribute and an adjective, we're going to talk about, it's really the same thing. So what do we know about the sun? Let's talk about 2 attributes that we have right here in this picture of the sun. These may not be scientifically correct, what I'm going to tell you about attributes. But when we draw a picture of the sun, there's really, almost everybody draws the sun in the same way, right? They make a circle, and then they color it yellow, and they might put some rays out, you know. Let's see, are they similar? Here's another sun picture. Do they have similarities? Yep, circles, yellow. Different size rays, but you know, sun. Okay, so two of its attributes. are that it is yellow and that it is round or a circle when we draw it, not the scientific sun out in the sky. So, I am sorry. This around. So here we go. Here's our first flip book, and it's going to ask us questions about the color yellow, which is one of the sun's attributes. So this says, is it yellow? Flip book. Is it yellow? And you're going to either give me, we're going to look at the picture that it's featuring in each section, and you're going to give me either a yes or thumbs up if it's right, or if it's not the right color, or if the picture is not yellow, then we're going to say thumbs down or use this one. No. Okay? So let's start. This is a tube of what? It says toothpaste. But what does it ask the question? It says, is it yellow? Is this toothpaste yellow? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Yes. So I'm going to put the little yes there. Okay? Let me get it on there good, and then I'll turn the page. Here's the next one. What is that? That is a cartoon drawing of a penguin. Is a penguin yellow? Thumbs up or thumbs down? When we think about penguins, we primarily think of them as being black and white, right? Those are its main colors. It's not yellow. So let's do a thumbs down. And we'll put no up here. No, it's not yellow. No. How about this one? What's our next picture? What is that? We just have one of those over here too. It's a different drawing of it. This one's green. This one's multicolored, but it's a sailboat. So let's look at a picture of this sailboat. It is what? I just said what color it is. It's green. But the question asks, is it yellow? We have to say thumbs up or thumbs down. Thumbs down. It's not yellow. It's green. Okay, next page. This looks to be a camera, a sort of disposable camera. Not like we take pictures on our phones now or on our tablets so much, but cameras used to be the only way that you took pictures. This one in particular, this camera, is it yellow? This camera is thumbs up or thumbs down? This camera is yellow. Thumbs up. Yes. Oh, what is this? Oh, I think I have one of those over here too, a vocabulary. I do. It looks a little different, but you know, it's a vocabulary word that says seashell. Is this seashell yellow? It is, so thumbs up, but it's not the one in our book. So we have to go back to our book and say, is this seashell yellow? Well, all seashells aren't yellow. They're different colors. This particular seashell is not yellow. So thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. It's not yellow. Next. It's an envelope. Are you going to send a letter to someone you love? Put it in an envelope. Is every envelope yellow? No. Is this envelope yellow? Yes. So thumbs up or thumbs down? It's a yes. It is yellow. A light bulb. Same question. Are all light bulbs yellow? No. Is this light bulb yellow? Yes. That's the question we're being asked. Is it yellow? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. It's yellow. Next page. What is it? It's a cute little mousey. Are mice really yellow? No. Is this mouse yellow? Is it yellow? Yes. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. It is yellow. Ooh, that's a stylish hat. Is that yellow? Thumbs up or thumbs down? It's not yellow. Thumbs down. One more. The greatest yellow thing of them all. I've said this to you before. I love monkeys. I love bananas. I get to eat bananas for breakfast every day, and that's what I ate this morning. This is a banana. Are all bananas yellow? Yeah, we want them to be yellow. That's when they're perfect for eating. If they're green, they're too hard. If they're brown, they're too mushy. They've got to be yellow. Is it yellow? Yes or no? Uh-oh. I only have a thumbs up, down. I must have done something wrong. It's a yes. It's a thumbs up. It's not a thumbs down. Thumbs up. Yes. It is yellow. My favorite yellow thing. Bananas. Oh, I don't know why I have an extra no. Let's see. Okay, so then we're going to go to another attribute. Remember our words? Attribute. Things we use to describe, words we use to describe things. Or adjective. Good. A word we use to describe a noun. What was our other attribute we mentioned? We said it was yellow. What did we say about the shape? What is the shape? Round or a circle. When it's drawn, it's a circle. It's not, we don't draw pictures of it and have it be like a ball shape. No. Otherwise it would be, we can't do that when we draw. We can only draw two-dimensional, and it's a circle when we draw it. So now this one, it's going to be hard because we have to think of it. Don't think of color anymore. Don't think of whether something is yellow or not. Think about whether it's a circle or not, right? Okay, so we're going to go back to the same thing. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Is this a circle? It's black, but we're not thinking about color right now. We're looking at the question, is it a circle? Is that a circle? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes, that's a good circle. Oh boy, here we go. Here's the hard part. Is this a circle? What do we call this one instead? It's a trapezoid. We talk about trapezoids all the time. So thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. It's a trapezoid. It's not a circle. No, no, no. How about this one? What do we know what this is? This is a, I know you're saying it, square. Why do we know it's square? Because it has 4 equal sides, 4 equal angles or vertices. The measure of the internal angle is what? I know somebody's saying it out there, 90 degrees. Is it a circle? No, circles don't have any vertices. They don't have any sides. It's a thumbs down. It is not a circle. Ah, here's another tricky one. Is it a circle? Once again, let's take a look. It has 1, 2, 3 sides. This one happens to have 3 equal sides, so it's an equilateral triangle. It has 3 angles or vertices, also equal in this triangle. And does a circle have angles or vertices or sides? No, so it's a big old thumbs down. It is not a circle. What about this one? It's blue, but does that mean it's a circle? No. It's round. Does it have any sides? Does it have any angles or vertices? No, it does not. Is that a thumbs up or thumbs down? It's a thumbs up. Got it. Ah, here's another one. It happens to be yellow and round, just like our sun. Yellow and round. Is it a circle? Big thumbs up. Big thumbs up, not a small one. Okay, let's look at this one. Is this a circle? Let's count how many sides we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a pentagon if it has 5 sides and 5 angles. It is not a circle, right? So this is a thumbs down. No, it is not a circle. It has 5 sides. Circles don't have sides. What about this one? Well, we love this. This is also a drawing of something that's up in the sky. That's not what they really look like, but it's a drawing of a star. That's also in the sky with the sun, but it's not a circle, is it? It has lots of sides and angles. So, thumbs down. Ah, do you like this color? Not everybody likes pink. Does that mean it's a circle? No. What tells us it's a circle? No sides, no angles or vertices. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Up. One more of our attributes. Once again, it's my favorite. Sun. Yellow circle. You know it. Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. It's yellow and it's a circle. 2 thumbs up. Very good. We finished 2 complete flip books on attributes. Love it. Okay, we have a few minutes left. This is the hard subject I said we were going to start talking about. It is about the different sounds that our vowels make. Which are our vowels? Well, let's start with it. We always talk about vowels, and I say it really quick sometimes. A, E, I, O, and U, right? A. I can't go through them right now in a timely manner. I'm so sorry. I didn't leave them out. I should have left them out. A, E, I, O, and U. And sometimes when we put those letters in combination with another letter, they make a different sound. So A doesn't always say ah. Sometimes it says A. Sometimes it says something different. So that's what we're going to talk about right now. We're going to look at long A and what kinds of words are out there. Oops, my light just went off. Hold on, let me make sure it stays on. I got to walk in front of the motion detector. Okay, I think it believes I'm here. Maybe it believes I'm here, maybe it doesn't. We're not going to do all these today because this is a big subject. We're only going to talk about the letter A, although the other vowels also use this, have these same situations. So long A, that's instances where it doesn't sound like ah. It sounds like something different, and it might still be at the beginning of a word, and it might not have another vowel in combination with it, but its sound is different. So here's an example of some of the words that have the long A sound. Apron. See, there's no other vowel in it to make it sound funny. It just does. It sounds different, so we're going to memorize that word. Apron. How about this one? That's supposed to be a monster. Alien. Alien. Acorn. And angel. Say them out loud again together. Apron, alien, acorn, and angel. All of them make letter A. Sorry, I dropped it. Letter A sounds like A, not like A, as in apple. Just one of those things that we have to memorize. What else makes the letter A say its name? I've talked to you about this a lot. When I say bossy E, watch out because bossy E is at the end of the word, and when bossy E is at the end of the word, it makes the A say its name. So when we describe it up here, we're saying long A means there's an A, then there's some kind of consonant in between, and then an E is at the end. But bossy E. So let's look at the first word. G-A-T-E. See, there's the A. There's a consonant in between, and then that bossy E is in there, and it's ready to make A sound different. So in this word, how does A sound? Gate. G-A-T, because of bossy E. Same thing here. We have our consonants, a vowel, consonant, vowel, bossy E. How is it going to make this? Do we say, oh, that's snack? No, that's not a snack. That's a snake. It makes A say its name. A. Next one, same thing. Consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant in between, bossy E. Let's say it together. Plain. See, makes that A say its name. Plain. 2 more to go. One of our favorite things, birthday time. I love this. It's consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. You'll hear me say C-V-C-E sometimes, or C-V-C-V. All that describes this phenomenon. Let's sound it out. Cake. Because that E is making A say its name. Cake. Last one. Same thing. Consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. Ape. A is saying its name. Tape. Well, let me just show you. The English language is full of little funsies like that. So this is all pages and pages of stuff that we need to learn about long vowels. Oh my gosh, there's so many pages. I'm skipping bunches of pages. So that's why I said we'll only go through a few of those in a day. We'll review it again. So we talked about 2 different ways that you can say the letter A at the beginning of the word or in the middle of a word with a bossy E. Long A at the beginning of the word, long A in the middle of the word with a bossy E. You know all about bossiness, don't you? Because I'm bossy. No, I'm not. I try not to be. Well, we've hit our 30 minutes, you guys. That is awesome. I hope you're still with me. I hope you liked the visuals. I had a lot of visuals today. I hope that helped you. And like I said, some of this stuff is not easy. We're going to have to do it over and over again, but practice is the best thing that we can do. Practice, practice, practice. I love you lots. I don't know. Hopefully we'll do another one of these tomorrow. If I'm not able to for some reason, then I will see you again Monday because we're going to Zoom with Miss Ann and it'll be great. So I'll send you the link on the old YouTube channel. Thanks a lot, guys. See ya.